tubey thing goes to my little washer and dryer, which drains into the toilet. Why? Make life so much easier. So all I gotta do is turn this on. And voila! Get some! You know I had to be broke bougie. You know I had to be a little broke bougie. You know what I'm saying? Ow! You know what I'm saying? Look, check it out. So it just finished. It takes 15 minutes. So this is it right here. Spin it, 15 minutes, turns on the drain. Then this is the drainy thing. Wham, right? And I'm gonna show you. It's going into the toilet. Can you see it? Crazy, girl. So it's okay. So the process is that you wash it, you spin it for 3 minutes, and then you rinse it. That's pretty much it. So this is gonna go in the next 3 minutes. This is gonna go in here, and then all of it goes back in there. Boom, and then spin dry. Bang, done. So here's an example. Like that. Da, 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 da. And all it's doing is just rinsing out the rest of it.